The most important video for the students. In this video, I explain to you the most important 2 marks problems from the chapter Random Variables Maths 2D. So this is the very important question, number of times repeated question. So the question is, the mean and variance of a binomial distribution are 4 and 3 respectively. Then fix the distribution and find p of x greater than or equals to 1. Most important question. So what is given mean and variance of the binomial distribution? That is, first I write the given data here. What are given? Mean value and variance value. Mean is equal to 4, variance is equal to 3. So given that mean is equal to 4 and variance is equal to 3. So these are the given values. What we want the values of the distribution and p of x greater than or equals to 1. Okay, now what is mean formula? NP. Mean is equal to NP. And what is variance formula? NPQ. NPQ is equal to 3. Therefore, just taking the value NPQ by NP. What is NPQ value? 3. And what is NP value? 4. Here NP and NP gets cancelled. Therefore, the value of Q is equal to 3 by 4. This is Q value. And replacing this Q value in the formula. Now, what is P value? P is equal to 1 minus Q. That is 1 minus 3 by 4. That is equal to 1 by 4. And replacing this P value, which implies we get P is equal to 1 by 4. Now replacing this P value in this equation. So replacing that in NP is equal to 4. NP is equal to 4. N into P value 1 by 4 equals to 4. Now taking the cross product, N is equal to 16. Therefore, the values are Q is equal to 3 by 4, P is equal to 1 by 4, N is equal to 16. So, to find the distribution, first we want these values. Therefore, what is the question? Fix the distribution. Fix the distribution means, therefore, binomial distribution is, the formula is equals to Q plus P whole power N. Binomial distribution formula is Q plus P whole power N. Now replacing the values. Q value 3 by 4, P value 1 by 4, N value 16. So distribution is 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 power 16. And what is the next question? P of x greater than or equals to 1. And P of x greater than or equals to 1 is equal to 1 minus P of x is equal to 0. That is 1 minus P of x is equal to 0. What is the formula for P of x is equal to R? NCR Q power N minus R P power R. This is the formula for P of x is equal to R. Now we want the value of P of x is equal to 0. That is replacing that R is equal to 0 in this formula. NCR. N is equal to 16, R is equal to 0. Q power 3 by 4 power N minus R, 16 minus 0. P power R, 1 by 4 power 0. Therefore, the answer is equal to 1 minus 16 C0 is equal to 1. 1 by 4 power 0 is equal to 1. Therefore, this is 1 minus 3 by 4 power 16. That's all. This is the answer. The most important and most frequently repeated question in the examination from this chapter. Next problem. The probability that a person chosen at random is left-handed in handwriting is 0.1. Then what is the probability that in a group of 10 people there is one who is left-handed? So given that the probability that a person chosen at random is left-handed is equal to 0.1. So first we take that value is equal to P. P is equal to the probability for a person chosen is left-handed. Simply I take that probability. I take that value is equal to P. Given that P is equal to 0.1. Then what is Q value? 1 minus P. 1 minus P means this is 1 minus 0.1, that is equal to 0.9. What is the given question? What is the probability that in a group of 10 people, that is given that N is equal to 10. 10 people means N is equal to 10. There is one who is left-handed. Means we want the value of P of x is equal to 1. We want this value. Now first taking the formula here. formula is equal to P of x is equal to R is equal to NCR q power n minus R P power R. This is the formula. Now we want P of x is equal to 1. That is NC1, n value 10, C R value 1. NCR, n value 10, R value 1. Q power 0.9 power n minus R, 10 minus 1. P power 0.1 power 1. That is equal to 10C1 value 10 into 0.9 power 9 into 0.1 is equal to 1 by 10. Therefore, the answer is equal to 0.9 power 9. Most important sum, very important. Next problem, for the binomial distribution with mean 6 and variance is equal to 2, find the first two terms of the distribution. So first, given that, first we take the given data. What is given? Mean is equal to 6. Given that mean is equal to 6 and variance is equal to 2. These two values are given. Now what we want? We want the values first two terms of the distribution. So mean means this is NP value 6. NP is equal to 6. And variance is equal to NPQ. NPQ is equal to 2. Therefore, NPQ by NP is equal to, that is 2 by 6. Here NP and NP gets cancelled. Therefore, the value of Q is equal to 1 by 3. 2 by 6 means this is 1 by 3. Therefore, Q is equal to 1 by 3. Now, what is P value? P is equal to 1 minus Q. P is equal to 1 minus Q. That is 1 minus 1 by 3. That is 2 by 3. So, P is equal to 2 by 3. Now, replacing, which implies P is equal to 2 by 3. Now, replacing this value in NP is equal to 6. NP is equal to 6 means N into 2 by 3 is equal to 6. That is, this is cancelled by 3 times. Therefore, the value of N is equal to 9. So, Q is equal to 1 by 3. P is equal to 2 by 3. N is equal to 9. Now, what we want first two terms? So, first I take the binomial distribution formula here. P of x is equal to R is equal to NCR q power n minus R P power R. First term. First term means P of x is equal to 0. This is the first term. That is P of x is equal to 0 is equal to NC0, 9C, NCR, 9C0, q power n minus R, 1 by 3 power 9 minus 0, P power R, 2 by 3 power 0. That is equal to first value 1, last value 1. So, answer is equal to 1 by 3 power 9. This is the first term. Now, second term means that is P of x is equal to 1. So, NCR 9C1 q power 1 by 3 power n minus R 9 minus 1 P power 2 by 3 power 1. That is 9 into 1 by 3 power 8 into 2 by 3. That is 9 into 2 by 3 power 9. So, this is the answer. Equals to 9 means 3 square into 2 by 3 power 9. That is equal to 2 by 3 power 7. That's all. This is the answer. Therefore, first term is equals to 1 by 3 power 9. And second term is equals to 2 by 3 power 7. That's all. These are the most frequently repeated questions from the chapter random variables.